It's like, go. And wouldn't you know it, there's a mega log hauler. Quite a few cars back there. I don't see any altar metal. Writing Ave is now open again. Anyway, I jumped up from my nap, resting a little bit after working at the Max Entertainment Center the last few hours in the rain, and then I'm driving north to Lake Superior tonight, going a little rock hunting. Better cut the grass there under the train. Weeds are getting a little big. Well, there you go. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. You think that guy was a little impatient, needing to get by or what?